YouTube in the building. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're looking for information on the secrets to getting 1,000 subscribers, which we'll be going over in just a few moments, congratulations. I just want to let you know you're in the right place. This is also video 8 of the secret playlist to grow your YouTube channel. So if you missed any other videos, feel free to check them out. Hey guys, I'm Ricardo Rodriguez and welcome to Tube Great. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you want to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Secret number 1. It's all about knowing who you're going to present this information to. Are you making this content for your grandma? Are you making this content for your neighbor? Pinpoint your target viewer and focus on one person. So try to visualize what that person looked like. Try to visualize what is that person into when you're making your content. Keep that in the back of your head. Ask yourself, what do these people like to watch? Are they more on the comedic side? Do they like, thrillers? Ask yourself, why should they subscribe to you? If there's 1,000 other channels putting out the same content, what makes you stand out from everybody else? So why should that person subscribe to you? Ask yourself, what can you do for them, right? It's all about giving value, giving entertainment, and showing someone, new information. You can't just beg for subscribers and beg for views and expect for everyone to support you. I hope that makes sense. So to better paint the picture for yourself, I want you to picture yourself going with your lover or with a family member to the movies, or watching a movie in your living room, watching Netflix, right? Why did you turn on that TV? Why did you click on that movie? And what made you stay, glued to that movie? Why were your eyes, so focused on watching this movie? This will better help you understand what people are more engaged into and why people click on that video or movie that keeps them so engaged and entertained. Feel free to comment down below, what do you look for in a video? What makes a video so entertaining? Secret number 2. It's all about your audience retention. How engaged is your target viewer? So throughout the video, is the person just clicking off after 10 seconds, or are they watching your video, for the entire video, the entire 10 minutes of whatever you're presenting to that viewer? You can check this within your YouTube studio if you go into the analytics tab, and you can see a bunch of graphs of your video, right? The lines on the graph represent the audience retention rate on your video. The graph shows second by second clips of your video, right? So it can help you better pinpoint what part of your video was great and what part of your video needs better work. Now, don't get discouraged when you see the line going down. It's normal for people to just click off your video or get less engaged throughout, the last final moments of your video. That's just normal. But you should keep an eye out for if you see a dramatic drop in your audience retention, right? That shows you that you need to change up that specific part of your video. If you see an increase in your audience retention, that means you did something very well. They went back in your video, they probably rewinded, replayed that specific part, and that part really fascinated your viewer. You could use this information to make better content, better quality, and get those 1,000 subscribers. Now I want to paint a picture in your guys' head. I want you to reminisce back when you were in high school, maybe college. Remember that one boring professor who just kept talking and talking, and that monotone voice? You were probably yawning or watching the clock tick by, waiting for that class to be over. Maybe your peer right next to you probably fell asleep and started snoring. Don't make your viewers feel this way. Don't make them click off your video and watch someone else's video. Like this video if you're enjoying the content so far. Now, if you made it up to this point of the video, I want to share with you the best secret for you to boost up your audience retention rate and boost up your 1,000 subscribers, and you could even surpass 1,000 subscribers. Secret number 3, make the viewers come back to you. You want to increase your watch time, and all that means is people are watching your videos and staying on YouTube for the longest amount of time. Imagine a viewer only loved one of your videos, but they can be loving 50 of your videos. So simply give them reasons to come back. It all depends on how you present that within your niche. But if you can suggest another video, a backlink, or even show them to a new playlist, that gives the viewer an incentive to watch more of your videos. They watch more of your videos and they're gonna stay on your channel for way longer. The way I see it is like this. Picture eating your favorite snack. For me, it would be Flamin' Hot Cheetos. And as I eat one, I want to eat more. So I'm eating one, I'm trying to down off that whole bag, right? I just keep digging in the bag because I love them so much, so I want to empty it out. That same effect needs to be done in your videos for your viewers. Make them come back and keep eating up another chip, basically consuming another video at a time. That's all I have for you guys today. Watch this video right here if you want to watch part 9 for even more secrets to grow your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to Tube Great. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, linked in the description below if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. Peace out.